Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the popular textile template for your edits in ShotCut. So here I've already opened the ShotCut apps and I'm going to just click on the text option in here and you'll see there is an option popular style. So when you click on that, you'll be provided with the text template from the ShotCut and you can just choose which one to use for your videos. Like this, you can just find one. I'm going to go with style category, then just click on one of them. Oops, probably I'm going to just use the free one, sorry. Okay, maybe this one, and just click on the check icon when you're done. You can just drag the text to reposition it in your clips. You can also resize it like this. If you want to change the text, just double click on the text and in here you can change it or add the new text here. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.